What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Will, and I am back for another video. Today we're going to be talking about the trucking business, but before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy entrepreneurship and learning about new businesses, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop my next video. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about starting your own trucking business from scratch, from A to Z. So I want you to grab a notepad, pen and pencil, or your phone, or whatever you use to take notes, because it's going to be a lot of information, guys. All right, now let's get into it. Number one, I want you to go and get your LLC. And if you've seen my other videos, you would know that LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. This actually protects you and your assets in case of a lawsuit. Now, let's get on to the next step. The next step is getting your EIN number, which stands for Employee Identification Number. Now, the reason why you want to get this number, because it's sort of like a social security number when you are born. It keeps track of your business. Now, the next step is to open up a business bank account. Now, I wouldn't suggest going to the big banks because they usually interrogate you.
You bought the bottle of beer at 11:15.
At 11:15. 11:15.
Now, I suggest going to a credit union because they enjoy first-time business owners, and they will be glad to work with you because you actually will help them grow. The next step, I want you to go and buy your truck. Now, when going to buy a truck, you can either lease, rent, or own. I suggest buying a used truck when you are a first-time truck owner. Now, you want to spend about $20K or less. Just make sure you do your due diligence by getting a maintenance check and buy from a reputable company. That way you won't find yourself behind before you even start. So please, guys, take your time, do thorough research, and pick the correct company to buy a truck from. Now, let's talk about the next thing I want you to do. I want you to get a DOT medical card. A DOT medical card is just proof that you can safely operate a vehicle and have no medical issues that may cause a problem from other motorists on the road. Now, if you want to know where to get this card, just go on Google and type in DOT physical, and you will see a ton of places in your area that can provide that physical for you. They will charge you a fee unless you have the insurance to cover it, which brings me to my next step. You want to go and get your vehicles insured. When it comes to picking insurance companies, that is totally up to you. Just read, do your due diligence, and pick the company that's best for you. Next, you want to get your UCR, Unified Carrier Registration. This lets the DOT know how many trucks you have. This next step I want you to do is, after you have decided on the insurance company, I want you to get your BOC3. Go to processagent.com. and this will be about $25. This files your insurance with the FCSA, which is a very important part of getting your authority. So make sure you do this after you file your insurance. Now let's talk about your next step. The next step, you want to apply for your USDOT. What does that stand for? It is a U.S. Department of Transportation number. It is a unique identifier assigned to a moving company that is performing interstate moves by the FMCSA, which is the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. They will give you your authority, so make sure you have your insurance for at least a week, because your authority will give you about a 21-day vetting process. It will cost you about $300. Now you are ready to go to work. So I will be giving you a list of things you should pick up before you get to work. The first thing I want you to go out and get is a pallet jack. Now, you don't need a new pallet jack. Just get a used pallet jack for about $150 to $250. Next, you want to get straps, and I recommend about 3 to 5 straps. Next, I want you to get a ELD, which is an electronic logging device. Whenever dealing with the interstate, going state to state, you will need it. So go ahead and get one. To get an ELD, just go to keeptrucking.com. They will charge you about $35 per month, which is a very, very good price in my opinion. For those of you that don't know, a ELD is just a device that records your traveling hours. Now, after everything is complete and you have all your paperwork in order, then I suggest you go to Amazon. They will guarantee put you to work if all your requirements are met. Hold up, guys. Gotta interrupt for a minute. Gotta let you know something real quick. Listen, guys, if you're watching this video, please go hard at what you want to get in your life. I understand that you could be watching this at the top of the year and you could just be searching out new ways to make money. You may be tired of your job. You may be tired of waking up on someone else's schedule. I am telling you, you can do this. Stop beating yourself up. I know a lot of people that just beat themselves up and say, my life not going like it should be going. And I mean, I just, I wish things were different, but you're not working hard to make them different. You can do it. I know if this is the top of the year and you excited, just stick to the plan. Some people let 2 weeks go by after the new year and they stop with the plan. They go right back into bad habits, old habits of partying, hanging out. Listen, partying will be there. Partying is not going anywhere. I guarantee you. The women or man you're chasing will be there when you finally get to where you want to be. But only this time, you won't have to chase anyone because people will be chasing you once you get to where you want to be, because success attracts success. So other successful people will attract to you. I guarantee you. Your life will be 100% better if you reach your goals. But you have to stop saying, oh, I'm going to do it next week. I don't have enough information. Listen, nothing was built overnight. Nothing was built overnight. Everybody got into it. You're going to make mistakes. That happens. What happens when you start a new job? They train you some, but you still make a mistake, right? Somehow you make a mistake. Somehow you put something up wrong, or something just happens because you're new. And you can't learn everything. Even if somebody sat down and you pay somebody to train you, they can't train you for every single thing you're going to run into. You're just going to have to go through it. The best way to learn is to just go through it. So I just had to stop the video to encourage somebody to keep going. If you found my video and you're really eager to do something with your life, keep going. Keep going. Don't just be, tired of going to your job, but as soon as the weekend comes, your check come, you're at the mall spending all your money up, or you're at the bar, or you're hanging out with family, or you're just sleeping all day, or you're just eating all day and doing nothing. I am telling you, your life can change. Look at all of these people on the internet. All of these people making money today. The internet is going through the roof with money. Everybody's getting money. Now you tell me, what's your excuse? Let's get to this money, guys. Now let's change our lives. That's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you got great value from the video, and I hope you're ready to get those trucks and get on the road. Comment down below and let me know if you already have a truck or if you plan on starting a trucking business. Also, you can comment any questions that you may have, and I will try to answer them as fast as possible. All right, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Peace.
Represent what Jay got the antidote. They act